Welcome to our interior design tutorial on how to decorate your bedroom wainscoting. Today, we'll explore various components like baseboard, chair rail, stiles, rails, raised panels, and many more to transform your space into a stylish and elegant retreat. Let's get started. First, ensure your walls are prepped and painted. Begin by attaching the baseboard to the bottom of the wall, followed by the chair rail above. These components serve as the foundation of your wainscoting. Next, create the framework using vertical stiles and horizontal rails. This structure will define the panels within your wainscoting. Now, let's add character with raised panels for depth or beadboard for a classic look. Attach them within the framework created earlier. For a minimalist design, consider flat panels. Elevate your wainscoting with decorative molding. It's where creativity shines. To finish the top edge of your wainscoting, use a cap rail. If desired, a dado rail can divide the wall horizontally, adding elegance to your design. For architectural interest, introduce pilasters, which are vertical columns. Corner blocks add a polished look to wainscoting corners. Batten strips cover seams or create faux panels. Top off stiles with wainscot caps for that perfect finish. Install shoe molding at the base to cover gaps. Incorporate picture frames to showcase artwork and memories. Enhance dimension with recessed panels. Corner trim adds finesse to your wainscoting corners. Lastly, consider apron molding for added detail, and create shadow boxes within your wainscoting for decorative displays. And there you have it. By combining these components creatively, you can design a bedroom wainscoting that reflects your personal style. Experiment with different combinations and make your space uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.